Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how you can easily enable the left-handed mode on Bully Anniversary Edition. To turn on or enable left-handed mode in Bully Anniversary Edition, first of all, launch open the game on your device. Once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and tap on the map icon at the top right corner. After you're inside this map page, tap on Settings at the bottom left. Inside Settings, go ahead and select the Controls option from the top of the screen. Now, to enable left-handed mode, toggle on the switch right next to left-handed and make sure that it is turned on like this. Once you do that, you'll be able to enable the left-handed mode on Bully Anniversary Edition. Now you can see that all of the buttons which were on the right before are back to the left hand. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.